In this video, I will show you how to optimize your clips for TikTok and Reels. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. Once you're in OpusClip, you can either upload a video or you can add a YouTube link. You then have options you can choose for AI clipping. You can trim the processing time frame. If you'd like to cut a bit of the beginning off or the ends off, you can then use quick presets for captions. They have some templates and options that you can choose from. Once you have selected your options, choose Save, then select Get Clips. Once your video has finished processing, you will see it under All Projects. You can then double click it, and you will now see that your clip is in vertical format, 9:16. It has taken my long form video and made shorts. It has also given titles for each of my shorts, along with a score of how good this reel could possibly do. If you need to make edits, you can go to the right of the clip and select Edit Clip. If you are happy with this, you can then export it or download it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.